Hello everyone, this is me Ali Rza, and I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also Facebook Ads certified advertising professional. I also have a Google partner company. In this video, I will be giving you a Google Ads setup checklist. So, in case if you are going to set up your Google Ads campaign for the first time, or in case you don't know what are the exact steps for perfect Google Ads setup. You don't have to be worried, because in this video I will be explaining on the complete checklist you need to have while creating your own Google Ads campaign, or if you have a campaign created on Google Ads. So if you're mostly missing out something, you will be able to find out by checking on this Google Ads setup checklist. So you have to stay with me and look on the each step. So let's get started with this on this. Okay, so here it is. So the first thing is you need to set up your own landing page. Landing page is different from your website. For instance, if we have a client over here, let's say, okay, let's say this is my own company page. Okay, this is my company page, but your company page is always not your landing page, and your landing page can be different from your company page. So let's say this is my company page and my landing page is this, where I am mentioning the prices of Google Ads, and you can even go over here. So the landing page can be different from the home page. It is actually where you like to land your visitor. What makes a landing page good, that is again a discussion. For instance, I have an article on my blog regarding how to fix Google Ads suspension form, and here, for the people who are not able to get their accounts restored, i have uh, I have a form over here for them to fill out. So anyway, landing page without a form is not a good deal. Or let's say for this, let's say in another scenario, this is a beauty brand, and this is the website. But in case if we are running ad for our Moroccan argan oil, we are going to land visitor on this page, and people can directly order through this link, or they can reach them out to WhatsApp. This is the landing page. So the first thing you need to have is to have your landing page set up, and definitely in majority of the cases it can be different from your main page website. And the second is campaign goal. When you move on to Google, you may find different goals over here. Let me open the account. Okay, for instance, if I'm going to go over here and if I click on the new campaign, you will find minimum of 8 campaign objectives. What is your campaign objective? You need to be sure with it. Do you want more sales? You're looking for more orders on your website, or you are looking for more leads. In case if you are running an insurance form, you may need leads right now. And in case if you want more traffic on your website, then your goal should be website traffic. And in case if your goal is branding, I'm a branding guy, I promote. So in case if you want a more branding, you can go with a product and brand consideration, or a brand awareness and reach. That is actually the for a brand awareness. That is a main goal. And in case if you want to offer them your product catalog, or in case if you want to show them your products, then you go to the product and brand consideration. And in case if you have a mobile app to install, you can go for the app promotion. In case if you want more visitors on your offline store, in case if you want to encourage people to go over here, or in case if you want to create a local search campaign, you can go for the local store. And you can also create a campaign without a guidance, without a goal. So creating your goal is second most important step in your Google Ads campaign setup checklist. Third is setting up your campaign budget. For instance, in this, they are running 4 campaigns, and each have their own daily budget. So setting up your budget, how much you are willing to pay every day, what is your budget, is a next step in your campaign budget. You need to work out on what is the maximum amount you're willing to pay, and then you may need to decide on the campaign structure. The campaign structure is basically the number of ad groups you have. And with some clients campaigns, here let's say we are running 1K SKEG and one normal. In some campaigns we have 20, 30, 40 ad groups, and each ad group has 1, 2, 3, 4, or even up to 10, 12 keywords. I do not recommend going in 10, 12 keywords, because otherwise the theme of the ad group will be vanished, and you won't be the Google will get confused with the theme. So I don't recommend going with more than 10 to 12 keywords in each ad group. And then the ad goal is decided. Now the next thing is location settings. Which countries or areas you want to target, it should be a goal. For instance, this is a payday loan ad, and for this, for instance, if you look on the country we are targeting, we can target city, country, states, and then we can also exclude. Let's say if I want to target whole United States, but I do not want to target Florida state, or if I do not want to target a particular city in America, I can exclude through location and I can, let's say I want to say that I want to exclude New York. I can exclude over there, like I'm targeting whole United States, but I'm excluding New York. So I do not want to people coming from New York, but I do want people coming from all of the United States. So I can do it over here from location settings, and then building my own keyword list. The keywords which I want to target. The keywords can be based on phrase match, exact match, and broad match. Okay, so the keywords are divided into 3 segments, and then you may need to compile up your negative keywords. And the best way to compiling up your negative keywords is to focus daily on your search terms, and search terms can be found out through keywords, and go on search terms, and you will find on the terms which are not working well for you, and then you can exclude and create your own negative keyword list based on that. So we are having, for instance, a huge 48 keywords negative list over here, and we are adding every new negative keywords every day in this. We can add into campaign level, ad group level, and on account level. So we can add negative keywords on 3 levels. And then your goal is to write your first ad copy, and the ad copy should be exciting and interesting, and make sure to have 2 to 3 variations, because you never know which one works well for your business. And then tweak the campaign settings and add more extensions on your website, like call extensions, side link extensions, and other extensions on your ad. So probably this ad has few extensions over here. Let me see what extensions we have over here. So this has side link extension over here. This also has a call extension over here. So the ad extension gives more trust as well to the visitors, and people are much more likely to buy from the ad which have phone number, side link extensions, and other extensions where possible. Once you are done with the ad extensions, you can go with the tweak the campaign settings. With the campaign settings, you can opt. We can even opt for ad schedules. This should be an interesting part of our campaign, and let me write it as well. But we discussed about ad extensions, so I'm gonna write it over here. For the campaign settings, we can select languages, budget, bidding type which you want to target. If we have start dates and dates, which networks we like to target, ad rotation, and in case if any more information, like we want to exclude specific IDs, we can do it over here. So this is a campaign setting, and once we are done with the campaign setting, we need to focus on ad schedules, on which times we would like to target, any days, particular days or hours where we like to show our ad, and where we do not want our ad to be shown, we can add it from here. And we can also do device bidding settings. Let's say if I do not want visitors from mobiles or computers or tablets, here we can set it over here. So device bidding is also, things are coming in my mind while even talking with you guys. And the last is setting up your own conversion tracking. Conversion tracking is very important. I do even have a video regarding how you can create your own conversion tracking. So let's say over here the conversion tracking is done. So these were the few of the steps you need to be focused while creating your Google Ads campaign. So people were asking on, so I thought to have a complete checklist for Google Ads, so that people can easily look out on what are the points which needs to be kept in mind, or which needs to be kept in mind while creating a campaign on Google Ads. I hope you like the Google Ads checklist, and you can find this in the description of this video as well. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. At least, come on guys, at least subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.